Hello student, today we will start another topic of integration, that is integration by parts. This is the most important topic of integration. So let's start. So let derivative of two function, derivative of u and v. Now this is equal to du by dx into v plus dv by dx into u. ठीक है. Then integrating both sides with respect to x. So integration of derivative of uv, derivative and integration cancel out हो जाएगा. So uv is equal to integration of du by dx into v plus dx plus integration of dv by dx into u dx. ठीक है. Now taking this to left hand side, so this is equal to integration of u into dv by dx equal to this minus this uv minus integration of v into du by dx into dx. ठीक है. So integration of u into dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of v du by dx. Now let taking u is equal to f of x and dv by dx is equal to g of x. Now let u is equal to f of x and dv by dx is equal to some g of x. So if dv by dx is equal to g of x, this implies v is equal to integration of g of x dx. ठीक है. So then replace u as f of x and dv by dx is equal to g of x and v is equal to integration of g of x dx. This integration becomes integration of u is equal to f of x, dv by dx is equal to g of x. So we get the integration of two function, multiplication of two function f of x into g of x dx. Now this is equal to u into v, u is equal to f of x into v is equal to integration of g of x dx minus v equal to integration of g of x dx. So we write du by dx first. So derivative of u, that is derivative of f of x into integration of v, sorry, into v, that is integration of g of x dx whole dx. पहले इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फिर इसके बाद इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. So this is the formula for integration of two function, multiplication of two function. If we have two function f of x and g of x, they are multiplied, then the integration is like this: integration of g of x dx into f of x minus derivative of f of x into integration of g of x whole integration. ठीक है. Now here one question arises, then what is f of x and what is g of x? If there is two function given, then which function will take f of x and which function will take g of x? So for this we have one rule. That rule is Italy. Sorry, that function is ILATE, ILATE. That function is ILATE, or in some book this is ILAET. This last two function does not matter actually. So this is the method that we read on this ILATE. This is where I is the inverse trigonometry function, L is logarithmic function, A is algebraic function, t is trigonometric function and e is exponential function. We take first function as f of x and second function as g of x. First function as f of x and second function as g of x, and we select f of x in this manner. If inverse trigonometry is there, then we first choose f of x as inverse trigonometry. If inverse trigonometry is not there, then we choose logarithmic function first as first function, that is f of x. If logarithmic function is not there, then we choose algebraic function as accordingly as first function, and so on. So by taking 2 or 3 examples, we can easily understand this. So take example. So integration of let x cos x. So integration of x cos x dx. Okay. So we have the rule ILATE. So we choose first function as is there any inverse trigonometric function? No, x is algebraic function and cos x is trigonometric function. So we cannot choose inverse trigonometric function. So next, is there any logarithmic function? No. Is there any algebraic function? Yes. X is algebraic function. So x is f of x. First function is x and second function is just g of x plus x, trigonometric function. So now we integrate this x into cos x. So now this is equal to f of x, that is f of x is x into g of x integration of g of x dx, that is integration of cos x dx, minus integration of derivative of f of x, means derivative of f of x means here x into integration of g of x cos x dx whole dx. So solution to this x cos x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है sin x minus derivative of x 1, so integration of 1 into cos x का integration sin x dx. Now this is equal to x sin x minus फिर sin x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है sin x का इंटीग्रेशन minus cos x, so minus minus plus cos x plus a. So this is the integration of x into cos x, and we put integration by parts in this manner. Okay. Next, another example. It is x into or x square e to the power x. Like x square e to the power x. We have to find the integration of this. X square e to the power x dx. So here we take the same rule. ILATE. So no inverse trigonometric function, no logarithmic function, algebraic function is there. This is algebraic function, and exponential function is large. So this is exponential function. So this is x square is our f of x, and e to the power x is our g of x. So first function is x square, and second function is e to the power x. So by using the formula, we get f of x, that is x square into integration of g of x, that is integration of e to the power x dx, minus integration of derivative of f of x, integration of derivative of f of x means derivative of x square, derivative of x square into integration of g of x, that is integration of e to the power x dx whole dx. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर ई टू द पावर एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है ई टू द पावर एक्स माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर का एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x इंटू e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power x dx. So again we h2 is constant we take outside of the integration. So again इसके बाद हम फिर से इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स लगाएंगे क्यों h x and e to the power x another two function. So here also x is first function and e to the power x is second function. H ILT algebraic function is first. ठीक है. So now x square e to the power x minus 2 integration of x to e to the power x. This is integration of e to the power x into x. So x into integration of e to the power x dx minus integration of derivative of x into integration of e to the power x dx whole dx. So answer of this equal to x square e to the power x minus 2 into x e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power x minus minus plus 2 integration of derivative of x is 1 plus integration of derivative of x is 1 into integration of e to the power x e to the power x dx. Now we have to again integrate e to the power x. So this answer becomes x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus 2 into e to the power x plus some constant. So this is all about integration by parts. Good. Thank you.